are just near the Fleuve Congo. So you see other side there is Brazzaville. We are here just near the Congo River. You can see it just in front of us there. So on the other side there is Congo Brazzaville, but it's not allowed to film here. We are just hiding our camera. So they don't allow us to film. That's why we are trying to hide everything, but we are waiting for our food. Maboke, which we are going to see right now, is coming. You have to try this food because it's super delicious. Super delicious. Right now we are in Bandale, where commonly people cook it. So guys, we have poulet mayo here. Finally I'm going to eat it. Let me show you. You can see it's always eaten by this is chicken plus mayonnaise, and we have chili here, and also I will use this plantain, and my brother is there. That's on this, you can see, and it's plus kwanga. So let's have it right now. Bandale séparé.
Bandale séparé.
So this life of Bandale, eating the mayo, it's makemba. Also we have italo. It's a common drink here in Kinshasa. So guys, whenever you're in Kinshasa, you have to try this food because it's super delicious. Super delicious. Right now we are in Bandale, where commonly people cook it. Actually, it's like a street food, but it's not street food because you have to eat it when you have your beer, when you have something. You can even hear some clocks like come. Those are people who are doing pedicure and manicure. So here it's somehow traditional or popular, I can say. So I want you to see my food. That's poulet mayo. You can see it, and I'm using my camera. Okay, and also my brother there is eating with kwanga, which is there. And also there is a chili here. You know what, guys? It's always even hard to finish because just see what's remaining here. Because I was not able to finish the whole poulet mayo. So it's so huge. I think it's need to eat like 2 persons. It depends on your stomach. But the thing is super delicious because it's chicken mixed with mayonnaise plus onion and some green peppers, and also and some people put some cabbage on the other stuff. So the thing is super nice, man. Ça on appelle ça l'engolo. Et we have l'engolo ici et on a aussi la chikwanga. La kwanga à lingala. So guys, that's what we are going to eat right now. Actually, it's not allowed to film here. I should show you everywhere there. But that's the girl who gave us food. She's very shy. She doesn't want to show her face on the camera. So this is Ngolo. Ngolo. Wow. Le poisson ici, il est ici.
Oh ouais.
Ah, ok. So, on a aussi Chukwang. Mon cher, bon appétit.
Merci pareillement.
Est-ce qu'on va utiliser
Quoi?
la main ou on utilise ça? Ça dépend. Ok, d'accord. So guys, we are eating right now. It's time to eat. Let me first taste it. Voilà. Voilà, c'est comme le serpent.
C'est pas du tout en fait. Pas du tout.
Wow.
C'est très bon. Hein?
Oui, c'est bon.
C'est délicieux.
Very delicious. C'est le chukwang. Wow. Très bon. Bon appétit.
Merci pareillement.
So guys, this place is so amazing because just imagine.
Papa social.
Yeah, this place is so crazy, man.
Papa, comment tu t'appelles? Boss Axe.
Hans.
Bossi anti papa social et mon ami nango. Voilà, ici de binara binabo moi chacun ça leur est bien. Allez bossi Hamsi papa social et désolé mon agoma mon ami nango. Voilà, bossi Hamsi papa social igele binana malembe. Atogobi mama bongisa bossi Hamsi nandaku. Yo mo gomudo lulaga yena kwa ese na kwa. Allez c'est na quoi Bossi Ramsi Meli Coca-Cola Yope Mela Allez papa social Meli Coca-Cola Yope Mela.
Guys, so amazing, guys.
Bossi Ramsi Tieko avec le corps poli les amis sans pitié Atadi de s'approcher avec le Tino béni je t'aime Balotelli si je t'aime je suis jaloux. Bossi Ramsi Bilana Malembe il n'y a pas de sommetier. Il y a que des sauts déjà. Voilà, Samboulé, Zoma, Bossi Rams, Adogobi, moi n'est comment Bossi Rams. Maman na musica, malebite solo na musica. Bossi Rams na musica. Il n'y a pas de sommetier. Il y a que des sauts déjà. Papa yakala azala raté. Motona ndenge na ye. Oliana ye kolatane. Maman kolatane. Allez Bossi Rams. Mwana goma papa social voilà kebana mosa so de beta ago plaqué yo
voilà pour la biso to komba te sera lingala facile ici
Lingala facile. Nisco est compliqué.
Lingala facile.
Ah wow.
Good anglais.
Ah bololé. Ouais. Chef ndinga za boye. Alinga ka to yembele nze baba chinois. Ini tatuan ini mamuani kasadi garifu motombo wan mokona wani kazadia samoloba motomba samoloba mokona samoloba wega saina chilombo betwa bune Egypte lady chef alinga bapie mota honneur il est pacifique amelara mukepo l'estomac ameli akitisi azibusho akangi wow. Mais boy na kaluka me kuti mia mbimba famia mwasi na mbale fandi ba négocier. Mais l'idée est bien habillée. Moi était habillé. Na botabu ya roza muluba oto muswahili.
Kutanga.
Ayo. Alo bilingale. Wapi?
Sawa.
Ah. Kwetu ni Goma. Merci.
Relaxing.
Numéro 0 10 243. Nini?
Wewe Goma.
Ah, wow. Ah, wala Goma. Ouais. C'est comme ça, mais son côté là, ils sont des moutons. Nous sommes chinois.
Et c'est toujours ça, la vie.
I'm very speechless, guys. So this Kinshasa is so amazing.
Ah oui, c'est la
These
même
are
vidéo.
just people are looking for money. They're looking for how to live, how to. I don't know. You know, Kinshasa is a very huge city with many youth. So most people are here just to look for money. For us, we are eating here and
Les
yeah.
jeunes mangent toujours comme ça pour
Ouais,
commander.
ouais. They just so love.
Yes.
So they demander là. So, je
Yes,
crois
oui.
qu'on doit chercher. So guys, we are from au bord du fleuve. On appelle ici Nzela Mai Moka. So, Mimosa. So, on est en Nzela Mai Mimosa. On vient de manger le poisson de maboke. Le maboke de Kinshasa. So, ça c'est Nzela Mai. Vous pouvez vérifier. Je suis avec mon ami Achille.